People think food delivery is the best side hustle, but in this video, I'm going to share with you reasons why I think field agent is much better than food delivery. Number one is route planning. With DoorDash, with Uber Eats, you go and then you log on. And yes, you could go to popular restaurants and stuff like that and try to get an idea of where you're going to go. But for the most part, you accept the order and then they send you somewhere and then they send you to the customer. You have no control over where they're going to send you except if you don't accept the order. With field agent, you see on my map here, I could reserve all of these gigs and then do it in a route, plan my day, know where I'm going to get my lunch, know what I'm going to do, and know when I'm going to be home. Once you reserve these gigs, you have 4 hours to do them. So my strategy is when I wake up, I try to reserve enough for the day, and then I go out and do them once I have like $100, $120 reserved. Number two is time commitment. With food delivery, it really doesn't make sense if you're only going to do it for like a half an hour or an hour or two. You may not get any orders. And then also they may send you somewhere and you may only be able to do like 1 or 2 orders in an hour. With this, you could hit these gigs on your way to your 9 to 5 job. Let's say I worked down here. I could leave my house and I could hit these 3 gigs on the way. Then I'm using no extra gas and basically no extra time because I was passing right by there. Number 3 is higher pay. With field agent, you know what you're going to make before you do it. With DoorDash, with Uber Eats, you don't know until you get the order request. With field agent, if I reserve these, I know exactly what I'm going to make and about how much time it's going to take. Number 4, which is the most important, is less wear and tear on your car. So obviously, you're going to have to get to these stores, but you don't get paid based on miles. You get paid per store. So you don't even have to submit your insurance or your license because a car isn't required for the job. You're not making income with your car. You're just making income at the store. So if you live in a major city, you could even take the bus, public transportation, or if you don't drive and someone else could drive you to these places, then you could make money independent of your car. With food delivery, I destroyed like 2 or 3 of my cars. And yeah, I made a lot of money doing food delivery, but my $16,000 car was basically worthless at the end and didn't even run. Number 5 is diversification. So with food delivery, it's only going to be really busy peak lunch hour and peak dinner hour. So if the time you have allotted to do your side hustles is like me, if I usually work from like 7 in the morning till 11 or even all the way up to like 2 in the afternoon, but that's the worst time for food delivery, but it's when I want to work. So with this, as long as the store is open and as long as there's gigs in your area, you could work without worrying about if it's lunchtime, dinner time, and not be constrained like that. You don't have to work late nights or anything like that. So I believe that field agent and similar apps to it are the best side hustles. So check out this video where I compare all the side hustle apps together.